What if Elon Musk became the President of America?
The map of the United States shimmers into view, a glowing magnetic circle orbiting a rocket engine, its surface perforated with philosophical riddles like ancient constellations etched into carbon. Billowing plumes of electronic smoke envelop the image, distorting lines as if history itself is being rewritten by the pulse of a motherboard. From this haze emerges the first programmer, a lone figure stepping onto the global feed with eyes reflecting codes and questions. Across solar fields, panels vibrate with sound, blaring a discordant rendition of the national anthem rewritten in Python. It is eerie, unfamiliar, yet strangely resonant, a symphony of syntax and innovation. Politics, once the art of compromise, now exists as an algorithmic directive, wedged between invading Mars and downloading the latest update to the collective conscience.
Freedom is an open wireless range, accessible to anyone who possesses the galactic password.
With those words, the Constitution is no more, buried beneath man-made layers of artificial asteroids. Historians, replaced by quantum analysts, watch in incomprehension as tradition becomes a cryptographic relic.
For today's address, I've formatted the national briefing into JPEG-XR. Download it, absorb it, let your candidate brains adapt.
Congress, once a quarrelsome chamber of ideals, has dissolved into a cloud server, flooded with encrypted packets of data. Each vote is now a quantum equation, unstable, fleeting, disappearing if not observed by the satellite's unblinking mechanical eye. People wear VR headsets to remember what reality looked like. The air of freedom as they once knew it is parsed through USB-C ports, each privilege pinging with artificial latency. Rights, forgotten in the analog chaos, have morphed into apps for download at variable subscriptions. And in the governing nucleus, nestled deep within Silicon Valley, a software insect whispers in coded tongues, "What if power is an encrypted file? What if the presidency is nothing more than an artistic statement on an endless blockchain? What then?" Time warps and condenses, civilization skipping forward like a clock stuck in hibernation mode. The world hesitates, its systems slowing to a surreal crawl, while one question echoes across the digital ether like a specter. Were we playing a simulation, or was the simulation playing with us? Tell us in the comments what you think, and don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell for more surprises.